Hello guys, today we are going to show you the next lesson, which is lesson 22 about CDC ActionZone V3 2020. So what is this? So this is very good indicator which is show the chart pattern is going up or down. So how to add this? So I already add this one. Example, I remove this one. Go to here, click here and click on indicator. Search the word CDC space action zone here. See, so there are many, but click on 2020. Click on it. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Nice. So I demo BNB pair USDT, which is time frame 4 hour. Okay, so this is EMA slow and EMA fast, but don't care about it. So just care how to use this. So I already write for you. You can look up in the description below. So I said if the blue line is under the red line, meaning it up. Okay, let's see. This is blue line is under the red line here, yeah. Where it is under? From here, yeah. See from here. So it means up, yeah. Under the red line, it is up here. Up. And here it's above the red line, it's mean down. It's mean down. If the blue line is above the red line, it is down. Here, yeah. It's confirmed down now. And one more, how to check one more. Okay, one more is this where here. One more here. You see circle here, circle and blue here. If this happen, it means up. If this circle with red, it means down. Okay, let me show you one more. Okay, here you see red, blue, up. Circle red down, circle blue up. Sorry, circle, it's not blue, green here, sorry. Circle green up, circle red down, yeah. Circle green up, yeah. That's how to use it. So there are two things. One thing is here, blue line and red line, and another thing is the candlesticks. Candlestick with so-called green circle under the circle, under the candlestick, this up. One more circle above the candlestick red, in down here, yeah. So that's how you can use it. And don't forget to confirm it with EMA, MA with the indicators. Now 4 hours it is down. It confirmed down. You like checks with other like EMA and MA. MA 50, EMA 20. It's not confirmed down yet. Here, see, it's going to confirm. Okay, not confirmed yet, but MA, EMA. Oh, I'm sorry. MACD is already confirmed. Confirmed down here. Confirmed from a long time. And previously it here, confirm here down. And let's check with other time frame 4 hours. Okay, CCI is confirmed down here, it's below minus 37, and OSI is a little down here. See, down here, confirmed down. And after this which here confirm down, you check with the chart pattern one more, and then you can buy, start to buy. I'm sorry. This is chart pattern. Yeah, it's already confirmed down, but let's wait for the EMA and MA cross. Yeah, if it cross one more, just buy it with future example. Yeah, future 5 minutes, or it's up to you, but I buy long time, like here 4 hour. It's confirmed down now because it break the support now. This is the support, resistance. It break the support now, so it's come down. Confirm, chart pattern is confirmed, CCI is confirmed, RSI is confirmed, 4 hour. CDC ActionZone is confirmed. From here, yeah, here. Since last night, at the time is 23. And one more, EMA and MA not confirmed. But later you will study about this. Twin rank filter, short, it confirmed to short for future. Confirmed to short already now. Chart pattern is also confirmed. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for the next lesson, which is about twin rank filter. Hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next. Bye bye.